Did? Did? Got it.
Yo, check it. Got a girl downstairs cooking me breakfast. House bunny dress and rocking a pearl necklace. If everybody slam my tips, I turn the world reckless. Dessert for my first meal, got my girl dressless. Rolled out of bed, pour suburban smoking filtered cigarettes. Pour her suburban, she asked, honey, you filter liquor, yeah. I'm feeling less sick of ya. Get securing morning sickness, no more shakes. Down beers with the quickness. Drunk drive on purpose, I veer and hit a witness. Smoke mics like crack in the lap all night, vicious. Hit you with the sleeper, leave you swim with the fishes. If the shoe fits, whack rappers, can you fit this? Cause a commotion, I'm overdosing on this potent hair. I'm choking solid jet, trying to get floating smoking with air on. Automatic, I grab and let him have it, causing havoc. I'm overly dramatic like a romantic addict. Stabbing with panic attack and popping his Xanax formatics. Man had to clip in the 40 mag up Latin at a rat-a-tat, a gray matter, brain splatter. Watch how they scatter, mini matters, jack around, rappers swing at you, batter.
So today, I'm going to show you how to wash your car after a super sick, nar track day. I got your car dirty. Did? First thing you gotta do though, of course, is roll up your windows. Get out the water again inside.
Condoms up and they overreach me. Get it out with ice cream scoopers. Rough around the edges, but with ice seems smoother. What can I say on my dog? You can't tame me.
Now that we got the windows up, we're gonna go and pay for our coin wash. So this one's $2 minimum. So first thing we're gonna do is the wash soap. We're gonna start from the top to bottom. Now, of course, you're gonna avoid this area because you probably sent it in too hard at the track, so you broke your rear windshield. So we're just gonna avoid this and get on with the rest.
Of our relationship, bitch, you didn't know I faked this shit. I didn't even come up busting up, bitch. You dumb, stupid slut, got your little butt. What the fuck? Oh, ho.
You always gotta make sure your NK Kojins are washed.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Got that big dick that put bitches on Maury. But I swear it ain't mine. I've been known to claim mine. Or whatever the fuck else cliche lines. Feel like I've been rapping around this track for 8 miles.
Alright, we're gonna switch over to the we're gonna go to rinse now.
Cracking teeth like a bitch with a fat ass like a manatee. Called her that, and of course she got mad at me. Told her I'm just trying to make a metaphor that's funny like ew. 40, she left me.
Now we're gonna move on to our I guess this one should say wax. So yeah.
What I think, who cares what she thinks? Yeah, I'm an asshole, but I get laid cause I wish you drinks back.
Oh, running out of time, boys. Now we're gonna do the spot re-rinse.
Bum 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 bum, making the cutest that I've ever seen. Bum 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 bum.
Alright, we're done. Right on time. Now that the car's washed, we're moving on to the drying aspect of it. So the first thing we're going to want to dry, obviously, are NK Kojins, and of course these tires on them. Now we need to dry the rest of the car, did?
Rising K.
So my Morimoto HID controller just started smoking, so I don't have any headlights right now. We're gonna go do some night driving, but still gonna send it. Got it.
Catch me on that west side, still hood like press side. You smoking to the neck high, I'm bucking at your red eye. Fucking deduction, I'm bucking at something you wrong, you faggot, you fucking is nothing, you bluffing, I'm break that assumption, cause he was not token. I'm snuffing it, smashing your pumpkin. Running up front and it's mobbing, it's launching. I'm punching the fight and after I'm be done. I jumped out of plane, I land on the block. Ways to get paid, sack in the sock. Got a 12 gauge, hand of the Glock. Come my way, and that nigga shot. Dolomite, by myself, I'm solo squad. Pause, how you squad, God, when you by yourself, young mob. But you don't know, huh? 8 pellets per each shell in this buckshot. I'm sober, but I'm rocking till it's over in the coffin. Your head gets splitted like a cantaloupe. No elope, no, don't love these hoes, nope, not a chance, there's no hope. I'm where the shoes hang by 2 strings, coupe swing or they shoot man. They're off 2 chains for a few things, put the heat up on his ass like blue flames. Ain't ghost town now, used to be up in the ice where Rue hangs. Motherfucking mob, bitch. Is that my bitch? My bitch. My, is that motherfucking wild nard? Is that word play? Is that motherfucking play? Is that motherfucking mob? Yeah. One of your bang bang cops never show up. Done a couple things, man. Copped a couple whole birds. Dick so good, got hoes that'll pay for it. Think of buying you dinner, bitch. I don't play that shit. Want a new coat for the winter? Racks for the printer, some liquor, then go make it, bitch. Fuckin' look like cashing you out. Messing with that, get you slapped with a cow. Ain't assin' I'm proud, I'm rapping, I'm loud. Bitch suck nuts, one rapping a towel. Too raw. Dick so hard it knocked a tooth off. Say sorry, but I'm really, really fucking not. Back to hope you fucking rock. Go to hell, you ugly thought. Just like that, all the feminists pissed off. Got them all singing, Mobby, you offensive, just stop. Get shot, wind blew, Donald's hair be flipped off. Baggy white piece of shit, I'll go and get your knee shot.
And that's how we ride the rest of the car.
Bitches call me young El Guapo. My chorizo inside a white bitch, call it Del Taco. Get it? He ain't even got your metaphor. Let it off with a set of jaws like a predator. Ready for any type of war. Got a pencil or got one shotgun cocked and set it off. Mob, mob, is that mob? Is that mob? Is that mob? Mob, is that motherfucking mob? Is that mob? Mob, is that motherfucking mob, bitch? Is that mob, bitch? Mob, 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 mob. Is that motherfucking mob, mob, mob?
You know my butt?